My correct people, this one habit dey more dangerous pass failure. Yes. You wan know the habit? The habit get mathematical formula. Yes. The formula na overthinking plus delay equals to no action. Yes. Some dey call am procrastination. Yes. You go see person, him go dey delay, dey delay, dey delay. Him get good plan. Yes, him get good idea. But execute am. Him mind go tell am say, wait now. Yes, wait small. Time never reach. Him mind go tell am say, what if I try am? I no succeed. Him mind go tell am say, make him wait more, make him perfect. Yes. And before you go know, hours go turn to days. Days go turn into weeks. Weeks go turn into months. Months go turn into years. Years go turn into decades. Even if man dey live long, decades go turn into centuries. No action. No execution. Same position where him dey. Same dream. Him go remain stagnant. Yes. Now why this thing dey dangerous? Yes. Yes. Procrastination dey very, very dangerous. Pass even failure. You think say na lie? At least for failure, you go make attempts. You go work hard. Yes. But the thing be say, e no enter. Yes. But this one wey we dey call delay or procrastination, no attempt. You no even try at all. Yes. Let alone getting result. Make this lifestyle called procrastination dey dangerous. Yes. You no fit win game wey you no play at all. For my people wey dey play game, you no fit achieve something when you no take action. Yes. You no fit execute any project wey you no embark upon. Yes. Therefore, you must always try to start. Even if it dey scary, start. Even if it look mighty, start. Yes. Because a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step that is already taken. Just take that step and start. Yes. One day, you go realize say that dream wey dey big and scary to you, say na just say you no start on time. Say the dream dey very close. Yes. Therefore, try not to dey delay or to procrastinate any good thing wey dey your mind. No fear to start. The difference between achievers and spectators na starting. Yes, you must start so that your life go change for good. If this message really touch you, I want you to type, I must start now. Yes. For your comment section, yes. Type, I must start now for my comment section. Yes. And you go start am o. Yes. No forget to subscribe, share, and like my channel. Because now the only offering why they need from you. I love you all, my fans. Have a great weekend.